Hello, everyone. My name is Emily. Welcome to English Club. I am so happy to be here with you today. I hope you are all doing well. Today, we're going to talk about something very practical, something that many English learners feel nervous about, but need to do in daily life.
Hello, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Paul. I am doing great, thank you. How about you? Did you go to the bank recently?
Yes, actually, I did. I went yesterday to open a savings account. The bank employee was very helpful. She explained everything clearly. It was a smooth experience. And that is exactly what we are talking about today, right?
Yes, exactly. Going to the bank in English. This is a situation where many English learners feel anxious. Banks can be intimidating, even in your native language. All the financial terms, the formal atmosphere, the important transactions. In English, it can feel even more stressful.
That is true, but it does not have to be scary. Today, we are going to teach you all the vocabulary, phrases, and conversations you need to handle common banking situations confidently. Whether you are opening an account, depositing money, or asking about services, you will be prepared.
Exactly. And the good news is that bank employees are trained to help customers. They speak clearly, they are patient, they want to help you, so you do not need to worry. You just need to know the right phrases and vocabulary.
Right. And banking vocabulary might seem technical, but once you learn the key terms, it becomes much easier. Most banking conversations follow predictable patterns. Once you know these patterns, you will feel confident.
Yes, and we are going to give you real conversation examples so you can hear exactly how these interactions sound. By the end of this video, you will be ready to go to the bank and handle any common situation in English.
That is right. Now, before we dive into all the banking vocabulary and conversations, let me remind our viewers about something important.
Yes, please do.
Before we start today's topic, please like and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos. Your support helps us create practical content for real-life situations like going to the bank. We appreciate every single one of you.
Yes, please take a moment to like and subscribe. We are here to help you navigate everyday situations in English with confidence. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now, let us talk about going to the bank. Emily, let us start with basic banking vocabulary. What are the essential terms everyone should know?
Great question. Let us start with types of accounts. A checking account is an account you use for everyday transactions. You can deposit money, withdraw money, write checks, and use a debit card. In British English, this is called a current account.
A savings account is an account where you save money. It usually earns interest, which means the bank pays you a small amount of money for keeping your funds there. You do not use a savings account for daily spending. You use it to save for future goals.
Right. Interest is the money the bank pays you for keeping money in your account, or the money you pay the bank when you borrow money. Interest rate is the percentage. For example, this savings account has a 2% interest rate.
A deposit means putting money into your account. I need to make a deposit means you want to put money in. A withdrawal means taking money out of your account. I need to make a withdrawal means you want to take money out.
Your balance is the amount of money currently in your account. What is my balance means how much money do I have in my account. You can check your balance at an ATM, online, or by asking a bank employee.
ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. It is the machine where you can withdraw cash, check your balance, and sometimes make deposits without going inside the bank. In British English, it is sometimes called a cash machine or cash point.
A transaction is any banking activity. A deposit is a transaction. A withdrawal is a transaction. Transferring money is a transaction. Your transaction history shows all the activities in your account.
To transfer money means to move money from one account to another. You can transfer money between your own accounts or to someone else's account. I need to transfer money from my checking account to my savings account.
A debit card is a plastic card connected to your checking account. You use it to pay for things directly from your account. A credit card is different. It lets you borrow money from the bank to make purchases, and you pay it back later.
A PIN is a personal identification number. It is a secret code, usually 4 digits, that you use with your debit card at ATMs and stores. Keep your PIN private for security.
A check is a paper document that tells the bank to pay someone a specific amount of money from your account. In British English, it is spelled Q. Checks are becoming less common because of electronic payments, but they are still used.
Your account number is the unique number that identifies your account. Your routing number identifies your bank. You need both numbers to receive direct deposits or set up automatic payments.
Direct deposit is when money is automatically deposited into your account, usually your salary from your employer. Automatic payment is when money is automatically taken from your account to pay bills, like rent or utilities.
These are the essential terms. Now, let us talk about what happens when you go to the bank. When you enter the bank, you might need to take a number and wait in line. Or you might go directly to a teller. A teller is a bank employee who handles transactions.
When it is your turn, you approach the teller window. The teller will greet you and ask how they can help you. They might say, "How can I help you today?" Or, "What can I do for you?" Or, "How may I assist you?"
You respond by saying what you need. I would like to make a deposit. Or, I need to withdraw some money. Or, I want to open a new account. Be clear and direct about what you need.
The teller might ask for identification. They might say, "May I see your ID, please?" Or, "Can I see some identification?" You show them your driver's license, passport, or other government-issued ID.
If you are making a deposit, the teller will ask, "How much would you like to deposit?" You tell them the amount. I would like to deposit $200. They might ask if you are depositing cash or a check.
If you are depositing cash, you hand them the money. They will count it and give you a receipt. Always keep your receipts for your records. If you are depositing a check, you need to endorse it first. That means signing your name on the back.
If you are withdrawing money, the teller will ask, "How much would you like to withdraw?" You tell them the amount. I would like to withdraw $300, please. They might ask how you want the bills. Would you like that in 20s, 50s, or hundreds?
You can specify, 20s please, or can I have 10 20s and 5 10s? The teller will count out your money and ask you to verify the amount. Always count your money before you leave the bank to make sure it is correct.
Now, let us talk about opening a new account. This is a longer process. You would say to the teller or receptionist, "I would like to open a new account." They will direct you to a customer service representative or account specialist.
The representative will ask you what type of account you want to open. Are you interested in a checking account or a savings account? You tell them what you need. I would like to open a checking account, please.
They will explain the different account options. Different accounts have different features and fees. Some accounts require a minimum balance. Some charge monthly fees. Some are free. The representative will explain these details.
You should ask questions to understand the account. Is there a monthly fee? What is the minimum balance required? Does this account earn interest? Can I use online banking? These questions help you choose the right account.
The representative will need your personal information to open the account. They will ask for your full name, date of birth, address, phone number, social security number or taxpayer ID, and identification documents.
You will need to make an initial deposit to open the account. They will ask, "How much would you like to deposit today?" You tell them the amount. Some accounts require a minimum opening deposit, like $25 or $50.
You will need to sign some paperwork. Read the documents carefully before signing. If you do not understand something, ask for clarification. Can you explain this section, please? Or, what does this mean? It is important to understand what you are signing.
After you open the account, the representative will give you your account number and information about accessing your account. They will order a debit card for you, which will arrive by mail in about a week.
They will set up online banking access if you want it. Online banking lets you check your balance, view transactions, transfer money, and pay bills from your computer or phone. It is very convenient.
Now, let us talk about some other common banking situations. If you have a problem with your account, you can go to the bank and speak to a customer service representative. Explain the problem clearly.
For example, if you notice an incorrect charge on your account, you can say, "I see a charge on my account that I did not make. Can you help me investigate this?" The representative will look into it and help resolve the issue.
If you lost your debit card, you need to report it immediately. Go to the bank or call them and say, "I lost my debit card. I need to cancel it and get a new one." They will deactivate the old card so no one can use it and order a new one for you.
If you are traveling abroad, it is a good idea to notify your bank. You can say, I will be traveling to Japan next month. I wanted to let you know so my card is not blocked. Banks sometimes block cards used in foreign countries as a fraud prevention measure.
If you want to close an account, you go to the bank and say, I would like to close my checking account. The representative will help you. Make sure to withdraw or transfer all your money first and cancel any automatic payments connected to that account.
Now, let us talk about some useful phrases for banking situations. When you enter the bank and approach a teller, you can start with, Hello, I would like to, and state your need. This is polite and clear.
If you need to think about something or are not sure, you can say, let me think about that, or can I have a moment to decide? Banks offer many services, and it is okay to take time to make decisions.
If you do not understand something, always ask for clarification. I am sorry, I did not understand. Could you explain that again? Or could you repeat that, please? Bank employees expect that customers might need clarification on financial terms.
If you need documents translated or explained in simpler terms, you can say, this is complicated for me. Can you explain it in simpler terms? Or, do you have this information in simpler language? Good bank employees will help you understand.
When you finish your transaction, the teller will usually ask, is there anything else I can help you with? You can say, no, that is all, thank you. Or, yes, I also need to, if you have another request.
Always say thank you when the employee helps you. Politeness is important in banking interactions. Thank you for your help, or I appreciate your assistance.
Now, let me give you a complete example conversation. Let us role-play a scenario where someone is opening a checking account. Emily, you be the customer. I will be the bank representative.
Okay, sounds good.
Good morning. Welcome to First National Bank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to open a checking account, please.
Good morning. I can help you with that. Have you banked with us before?
No, this is my first time. I just moved to this area.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Let me explain our checking account options. We have 3 types. Basic checking has no monthly fee but no interest. Premium checking has a monthly fee of $10 but includes free checks and higher interest. Student checking is free for students under 25. Which sounds most suitable to you?
I am not a student, and I do not need the premium features. The basic checking sounds good for me.
Perfect choice. The basic checking is very popular. There is no monthly fee as long as you maintain a minimum balance of $100. Does that work for you?
Yes, that is fine. What do I need to open the account?
I will need a government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or passport. I will also need your social security number, your current address, and an initial deposit of at least $25.
I have my driver's license, and I can deposit $50 today.
Is that okay?
That is perfect. Let me get the paperwork started. May I see your driver's license?
Here you go. Thank you. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes to process. While I am setting this up, let me tell you about our online banking services. Would you like to sign up for online banking?
Yes, that would be convenient. How does it work?
You can access your account 24/7 from your computer or phone. You can check your balance, view transactions, transfer money between accounts, and pay bills. It is free and very secure.
That sounds great. Yes, I would like to set that up.
Wonderful. I will include that in your account setup. You will receive a debit card in about 7 to 10 business days by mail. In the meantime, here's a temporary card you can use for ATM withdrawals.
Thank you. One more question. Are there ATM fees?
If you use our bank's ATMs, there are no fees. If you use another bank's ATM, they may charge a fee, typically $2 to $3. We have 15 locations throughout the city.
That is helpful to know. Thank you for explaining everything. You are very welcome. Okay, I have everything ready. Please review this information and sign here and here. This confirms your account details and agrees to the terms and conditions.
Okay, let me read this quickly. Yes, this looks correct. Here you go.
Perfect. Your account is now open. Here is your account number, your temporary ATM card, and your PIN in a sealed envelope. Please memorize your PIN and destroy this paper. Here is your initial deposit receipt. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that covers everything. Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Welcome to First National Bank. If you need anything in the future, please do not hesitate to ask. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. Goodbye.
That was a great example, Paul. That is exactly how a real banking conversation goes. Notice how the representative asked clear questions, explained options, and was patient and helpful.
Yes, and notice how you asked questions when you needed clarification. That is important. Never leave the bank confused. Always ask until you understand completely.
Right. Now, let me give you some final tips for banking in English. Tip 1. Prepare before you go. Know what you need to do. Write down key phrases or questions if that helps you feel more confident.
Tip 2. Bring all necessary documents. ID, social security card, proof of address, initial deposit money. Having everything ready makes the process smooth.
Tip 3. Speak clearly and at a normal pace. Do not rush. If the employee does not understand you, they will ask you to repeat. That is normal and okay.
Tip 4. Take notes. If the employee gives you important information like account numbers, fees, or procedures, write them down. This helps you remember and gives you a reference for later.
Tip 5. Keep all receipts and documents. Bank receipts, account agreements, and statements are important financial records. Keep them organized in a safe place.
Tip 6. Use online banking. This reduces the need to visit the bank physically. You can handle most transactions online, but it is still good to know how to communicate at the bank for times when you need to go in person.
Tip 7. Do not be embarrassed about your English. Bank employees deal with customers from all backgrounds and language levels. They are trained to help. Focus on communicating your needs, not on speaking perfectly.
Excellent tips. Banking vocabulary might seem intimidating at first, but with practice, it becomes natural. The more you use these terms and phrases, the more comfortable you'll feel.
Absolutely. And remember, the bank wants your business. They want to help you. Do not be afraid to ask questions, request clarification, or take your time making decisions. You are the customer.
Well said. Well, Emily, we have covered so much about banking in English today. We explained essential vocabulary, common transactions, how to open an account, and gave a full conversation example. I think our listeners are now prepared to go to the bank confidently.
I hope so. Banking is an essential life skill. Whether you're living in an English-speaking country or doing international business, knowing banking English is valuable.
Yes, and with the vocabulary and phrases we taught today, you can handle any common banking situation. Practice these conversations. Familiarize yourself with the terms. You will do great.
Now, before we finish, let us ask our listeners a question.
Yes, we would love to hear from you.
Dear listeners, have you ever been to a bank in an English-speaking country? What was your experience? Was it easy or difficult? Or if you have not been yet, what banking situation makes you most nervous? Please share in the comments below.
Yes, please share your experiences or questions. Your comments help us understand what content is most helpful for you, and they help other learners who might have similar experiences.
And while you are here, please like this video if you found it helpful. Your like tells us you appreciate practical, real-life English lessons like this one.
And please subscribe to English Club for more English learning videos. We create content to help you navigate everyday situations in English with confidence.
Please like and subscribe to English Club for more English learning videos. Thank you so much for listening today. Thank you for learning practical English with us.
Thank you, everyone. Remember, going to the bank does not have to be stressful. With the right vocabulary and phrases, you can handle any banking situation confidently. You have got this.
Yes, you are more prepared than you think. Practice the vocabulary, review the conversation examples, and when the time comes, you will do wonderfully.
Well said. Take care, everyone. Good luck with your banking.
Until next time, goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
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 Goodbye.